How to find the referral code in Gotyme. So as of 2024, what you can do for you to be able to find your current referral code, or if you want to refer a friend, you can go ahead and send it via a specific link from the application. So all you have to do is just log into your Gotyme account using your IMPIN or your security PIN. Now once you've successfully logged in, you just have to go to your current profile or from the main menu, which is going to be located at the top left portion of your screen. To tap on that, and to the last portion of the main menu, you should be able to see referral program or referral code. You just have to tap on that. Now, but as of 2025, promo runs from July 16, 2024 to December 31, 2024, and it was actually extended until June 30th, 2025 as approved by DTI FTEB. But this may not be available of some of the users. So again, friends will need to enter a referral code, open a Gotyme account, and will need to do a physical debit card payment transaction worth at least 50 within 15 days upon account opening. So again, this may not be available of all the users. All you just have to do is to double check if referral rewards or referral program is still available under your main menu from your account. And that's how you find a referral code in Gotyme.